want to thank Teresa for sending me some of the felt she cuts with standard metal knives, asking if it's possible to cut it with the Slice ceramic blades. Teresa makes these tiny little hearts and other shapes by hand with a metal blade, which is very dangerous. She says she cuts herself all the time and would prefer to use Slice ceramics for safety reasons. So let's see if we can emulate what she does with our existing Slice cutting tools. I purchased some of the exact same felt that she uses to show you today. Let's first start with the Slice craft knife. I've put a pointed tip 105/19 blade inside here. Since Teresa's cutting very detailed small shapes, I want to use this pointed tip to get as detailed of a cut as I can. Now our blades, as you know, are very safe. The pointed tip is very pointed, so watch out for that pointed tip, but still much safer than a metal blade. Let's try the Slice precision knife. It allows you to get very close to what you're cutting and exert a lot of pressure. It's perfect for small, intricate cuts. I have a 105/18 rounded tip blade in the handle right now. You may want to use one of our 105/19 pointed tips for this smaller, more detailed work. But let's try with the 105/18 rounded tip blade and see how it works in the Slice precision knife. The Slice replaceable blade scalpel is another great tool for cutting felt. It accepts all of our craft blades, so depending on what style of cutting you want to do with your felt, you can experiment with different Slice craft blades. Let's try some out right now. The Slice Precision Cutter has a non-replaceable micro blade. It's a great, safe tool for cutting felt. You can get some intricate details with this. Let me show you how to do it right now. The manual pen cutter 105/13 is another good felt cutting tool. I've put a Slice 104/08 ceramic pointed tip blade. The pointed tip is good for penetrating the felt. Let me show you this. The Slice ceramic scissors, another great tool for cutting felt. Let me show you that real quickly here. So I'm not as artistic as Teresa, who was kind enough to send in her samples of felt, but you get the idea. There's lots of ways to cut felt with Slice ceramics. I hope you enjoyed that segment. Please send us your questions about any cutting applications you have with Slice ceramic cutting tools. We'd love to feature them on one of our videos. And check out our website at sliceproducts.com, where you'll find lots of other videos, safety blogs, and tons of information on safer cutting.